In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a review to a Facebook business page. If you want to share your experience with a business on Facebook, the process is pretty simple once you know where to look. Posting a review or recommendation can help other people decide whether they want to use that business, and it also gives the business useful feedback. I will walk you through it clearly so you can follow along on either a phone, tablet, or computer. To begin, open Facebook on your device. You can do this through the Facebook mobile app or by using a web browser, depending on what's more convenient for you. Once Facebook is open and you are signed in, go to the search bar and type in the name of the business you want to review. When the results appear, make sure you select the official business page. This is important because you want your review to be posted in the right place. After you've opened the business page, look for the More option. On some devices, this may appear as a drop-down menu, while on others, it may be shown as a tab or button near the top of the page. Tap or click More, and then choose Reviews. This will take you to the section where Facebook allows you to leave a recommendation. Next, you'll be asked whether you recommend the page. If you had a positive experience, choose Yes. If you do not recommend the business based on your experience, choose Number. This selection helps summarize your opinion before you write the full review. After that, type your feedback into the text box provided. Keep in mind that your message needs to be at least 25 characters long, so make sure you include enough detail for Facebook to accept it. A short but clear explanation usually works best. Try to be honest, specific, and respectful, so your review is helpful to both the business and other Facebook users. Before posting, check your audience privacy setting. You can choose who will be able to see your review, such as the public or just your friends. This is a good step to pay attention to if you want more control over who can view what you've written. Once everything looks good, click Post or Share to publish your review. After that, your recommendation will appear on the business page based on the privacy setting you selected, and that's all to it. Thanks for watching.